Adjustment is a very useful word in English. It means making something a little different so it works better. In this lesson, the meaning of adjustment will be explored through simple examples and ideas that show how it helps in daily life. The word adjustment means a small change made to fix or improve something. It can mean changing the way something looks, feels, or works so it becomes right or comfortable. Adjustment is about making things better step by step. Adjustment is needed because life is always changing. Sometimes things do not fit or work perfectly, and a small change can make a big difference. Adjustment helps people solve problems and feel more comfortable in different situations. An adjustment is not a big change. It is a small move or action that helps something fit better or work more smoothly. It is like turning a knob, moving a chair, or changing a plan just a little. Adjustment helps solve problems by finding simple ways to fix them. Instead of starting over, a small change can make things right again. It saves time and helps people stay calm and flexible. There are many examples of adjustment in daily life. These examples show how people use small changes to make things better, easier, or more comfortable. One example is adjusting clothes. When clothes feel too tight or too loose, they can be changed a little to fit better. This small change makes the person feel more comfortable and confident. Another example is adjusting the volume on a phone or TV. If the sound is too loud or too quiet, turning the volume up or down helps find the right level. This is a simple adjustment that improves comfort. Adjusting a seat is another common example. When sitting in a car or at a desk, moving the seat forward or backward helps find the best position. This small change makes sitting easier and safer. People also adjust their glasses. When glasses slide down or feel uncomfortable, moving them slightly helps them fit better. This small action is an adjustment that improves vision and comfort. In school, students make adjustments to learn better. They may change how they study, where they sit, or how they manage time. These small changes help them understand lessons more easily. At work, people make adjustments to do their jobs well. They may change how they plan tasks, talk to others, or use tools. These small changes help them work more efficiently and stay organized. In nature, animals and plants make adjustments to survive. For example, animals grow thicker fur in winter or move to warmer places. These natural adjustments help them live in different conditions. Adjustment also happens with feelings. When something changes, people may feel sad or worried at first. But by adjusting their thoughts and actions, they can feel better and find balance again. Adjustment is a normal part of life. Everyone needs to make small changes sometimes. It shows that people can learn, grow, and handle new situations. To make an adjustment, first notice what is not working well. Then think of a small change that can help. Try it and see if things improve. If not, try another small change until it feels right. An adjustment is a careful change. It is not random or rushed. It is done with thought and attention to make something better without breaking or losing what already works. A big change is very different from an adjustment. A big change can completely replace something, while an adjustment only improves it. Adjustments are smaller, safer, and easier to manage. Technology often needs adjustments. For example, changing phone settings, updating apps, or fixing screen brightness are all small adjustments that make devices work better. In sports, players make adjustments to improve performance. They may change how they move, hold equipment, or plan their game. These small changes help them play better and stay strong. Adjustment helps growth. Every time a person makes a small change, they learn something new. These small lessons build confidence and help people grow in life. Adjustment happens in daily life all the time. People adjust their schedules, meals, clothes, and plans. These small actions make life smoother and more comfortable. Adjustment is a skill that can be learned. The more it is practiced, the easier it becomes to notice what needs to change and how to fix it. Making adjustments makes life easier. It helps people solve problems quickly, stay flexible, and feel more in control of their surroundings. It is important to know when to adjust. When something feels wrong, uncomfortable, or not working well, that is a good time to make a small change. Trying small adjustments is a smart way to improve things. Instead of making big changes all at once, small steps help find what works best. Practicing adjustment every day builds confidence. It helps people handle new situations calmly and find solutions without stress. Adjustment can also be fun. It allows creativity and discovery. Trying new ways to do things can bring joy and make life more interesting. Remember the word adjustment. It means a small change that makes something better. It is a simple but powerful idea that helps in every part of life. In summary, adjustment means making small changes to fix, improve, or adapt. It helps solve problems, supports growth, and makes life easier and more comfortable. Thank you for learning about the word adjustment. Keep noticing small changes around you and practice making your own adjustments every day.